قوة إلا بالله. الله اظهر. لا اله الا الله. لا الله يعوضك خير.
On August 31st, 2024, Medina, a holy city and important religious center for Muslims in Saudi Arabia, experienced one of the worst natural disasters in its modern history, a massive flood that had a far-reaching impact on the city's people and infrastructure. The flood not only disrupted daily life, but also highlighted the challenges that desert cities face in the face of climate change and natural disasters. This article will explore the causes of the flood, its far-reaching impacts, the responses of governments and international organizations, and the mitigation measures that need to be taken to protect the city in the future. The extreme rainfall on August 31st, 2024, was one of the main factors that caused the massive flood in Medina. During this period of rain, meteorological data recorded that rainfall exceeded 150 millimeters in a few hours, while the city's annual average is only about 60 millimeters. The heavy rain was caused by an unusual weather system, in which water vapor from the Red Sea that had accumulated in large quantities met with cold temperatures in the atmosphere.